Hey guys, Crazyman Vanguard here. Have you guys ever wondered on how to play GMOD and Half-Life 2 on mobile? If you did, well, you stumbled on the right video. Also credits to the Half-Life 2 Sandbox++ community for providing the links. Check the description to join their Discord. Okay, let's get into the tutorial, but first do not forget to click that subscribe button. Okay, let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay, what you need is these 3 files. To download them, IT will be provided in their Discord link is in the description. Now here you're gonna make your Saseng folder, which you're gonna need these .3.zip files. Now here we are gonna make our .own Saseng folder .in this. Now we are going to extract the .hl2 sbpp dev.zip in our Saseng in .side that folder we just made. Here you're gonna click extract. And go to your Saseng folder. And extract. For here, click apply to all files and click replace. Now here rename your .hl2 sbpp dev to .hl2 sbpp only. Now let's extract the other folders or files. Let's extract source universal patch zip into a new folder and take .out hl2 and platform and placing it in our .new Saseng folder. And that's the extracting part or setup, which is pretty easy. Now let's move on to the apps. We need the hl2 sbpp release and the .source engine to set the directory. For here, let's extract this one and install it. Okay, now let's move on to the source engine app, which you can download it in the Discord. And that will be the app part. Now let's move onto the game. Now open your source engine app. After that, set your directory, which my original directory was placed right here. After setting your directory, you're just gonna go open your hl2 sbpp app and press launch. And here it is. Like I said, the Discord links is in the description or in the comment section. You can also join my Discord to be able to download some other games like GTA 5, GTA 4 and more. Okay guys, that'll be all for now. If you guys want to play Half-Life 2 on your phone, you can watch the next video. It will be out after this uploads. Bye guys, Crazyman Vanguard out.